Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to change the timecode frame rate in your DJI Mic free in the app. The first thing you have to do is to tap this microphone icon once your device is plugged in. Here tap set mic and make sure that timecode here is enabled. Once it is, tap unfold, and as you can see here, they have something called timecode mode, but that's not it. Here tap timecode frame rate. The lowest value possible here is 23.98 F and the highest is 60. You can just tap to switch between all these frame rates. To go back, just go back with your button or just use a gesture over here. And now that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.